So this video is about helping you get started with the Swansea Employability Award. The Swansea Employability Award is a course on your current modules, so in Blackboard. So you'll need to go to blackboard.swan.ac.uk, log into that, and then you'll have a list of current modules for the year. If you have a look through those, you will find that one of them is called the Swansea Employability Award. So if you click onto that, this will open up something called PebblePad and Pebble Plus. So there's a little box with an explanation in there. All you need to do is to click onto the Pebble Plus symbol here, and that will open up your dashboard in Pebble Plus. So this is the dashboard, and it'll have your name on it here and various things that you're doing. It'll have what you last worked on. Once you've started on the Swansea Employability Award, then it'll show up here each time you go into it. But the first time you go to it, you need to click onto Resources. So this is Resources in the box here. If I click here, and then in your resources list you'll have a workbook called Swansea Employability Award. It's single use only, so you can only take it once, that's fine. The first time you take it, you'll be prompted to save it, which means that you're submitting it to the tutor workspace from the beginning. And the reason for this is so that if you need any help as you're working through it, it's easy then for me or one of the other tutors to have a look at your workbook if you're having any difficulty with something. Okay, so clicking onto it, create a response, and this opens up the Swansea Employability Workbook. Across the top here is a menu, so there's an About Me section, Module 1, Modules 2 and 3, Module 4, and these are also repeated in the Contents section on the left hand side here, and we will often refer to them as the names of the modules. So in this case, Know Yourself, Explore the Possibilities, Plan and Make It Happen. And you can do these in any order. But what's most important is that you complete the About Me section first. So let's have a scroll through that. So in here, please type in your details and then click Save, remembering to click Save each time. And now you're ready to go on to the Know Yourself module, if that's where you're starting. So let's click onto that, and if we go straight to the first part of it, there are 8 sections here. So let's start with values and motivations. A little description here where it says that this online questionnaire will take around 40 minutes, and you go to this link here called Profiling for Success, where you're asked for these 3 codes, and then you're given a list of tests to choose from, and this particular one will take you about 40 minutes. When you've finished it, you'll be sent a report by email, which you'll then need to add as evidence. So we can see here that this one isn't called values as such, but your values report needs to be added here, and I will show you how to do that in another short video. You will also need to write, having read the report, which will be between 14 and 18 pages in length, you need to write about what you've learned about yourself. And there are several help places for you to go to on how to reflect. In particular in Know Yourself, at the end of the Know Yourself, there's a section on guidance on self-reflection. And in this particular guidance, we look at something called Gibbs' model of reflection, which is this cycle here. Some of you who know the cold cycle may recognise this, but this one is on a model of reflection. So describe what happened. What were your feelings as you were thinking and doing the test in this particular case? Evaluation, what was good and bad about the experience itself? So an analysis, what sense can you make of the situation when you're reading the report? Have a look through it, Try to analyse what you think is good and bad, what you agree with, what you disagree with. And then moving on, your conclusion might be that you pull a few things out that you would like to take forward with you, and you can put those into your action plan. You will need to write at least 250 words in your reflective account, and that's important. Don't forget to save each time, although you will be prompted as you go through it. And when you reach the end, you'll need to sign into GradIntel so that we can add any achievement that you have to your higher education achievement report. And then you need to email us here at c@swansea.ac.uk to let us know if you think you've completed this module. And that will prompt us then to go and assess it. Swansea Employability Award is open to every student, and so in that sense it's student driven.